You stand by the window, watching a luxury car drive by, instead of thinking, "Wow, how can I achieve that?" A thought flashes through your mind. "That's not for me." Things like that only happen to lucky people. Sound familiar? That's the poverty mindset. A quiet saboteur hiding inside your everyday thoughts, keeping you trapped in a financial cage. But here's the good news. You can change it. In this video, we'll uncover the signs of the poverty mindset most people never notice. And I'll give you simple, inspiring steps to shift your mind toward abundance. Let's turn your thoughts into a powerful engine of success. Together, step by step. The poverty mindset isn't about how much money you have right now. It's a set of mental habits that make you see the world through the lens of limits, not opportunities. It's shaped by childhood, environment, or past failures, and often hides under the label of realism. But in truth, it's just a filter that blocks your growth. Let's break down the signs you might not even notice. I'll describe them in a friendly way, no complex terms, so you can recognize yourself and smile. Ah, that's it. The first sign, you focus on what you lack instead of what you have. For example, you get your paycheck and immediately think, "This won't be enough for everything." Instead of feeling grateful for what you already have, you dive into scarcity. It's like looking at a half-empty glass and ignoring the water inside. That attitude drains your energy and blinds you to chances for extra income. The second sign, jealousy disguised as criticism. You see a friend who just bought a new apartment and whisper inside, "He probably got lucky or cheated someone." Instead of feeling inspired and asking, "How did he do it?" That's poverty thinking, whispering, "Success is for others, not for you." But the truth is, someone else's success is proof that you can too. The third sign, fear of spending on yourself. You skip coffee at a cafe because it's better to save for a rainy day, but that day never comes. In the end, you deprive yourself of joy and experiences that could spark new ideas or connections. The poverty mindset teaches, money is rare, hold on tight. But abundance begins when you invest in yourself wisely. The fourth sign, waiting for a magic pill. You hope for a lottery win or sudden promotion instead of taking action. If I had more time, money, or contacts. Sound familiar? That's a sign you're not taking full responsibility for your life. The poverty mindset loves passivity, but success loves action. The fifth sign, your environment drags you down. You hang out with people who complain about prices and politics, and you start echoing them without noticing. Their words become your beliefs. Everyone around me is broke, so I must be too. That's silent poison for your ambition. The sixth sign, ignoring financial education. You don't read about money or investing because it's too hard and not for me. The poverty mindset says, money is luck, not a skill. But in truth, it's like riding a bike. Scary at first, then freedom. The seventh sign, small impulsive spending instead of big goals. You buy snacks or gadgets, but postpone dreams like travel or courses. It gives the illusion of satisfaction, but actually keeps you stuck in the paycheck-to-paycheck loop. Now that we've exposed these secret agents, in your head, let's take action. I've prepared 6 practical steps you can start today. Each one comes with clear instructions. Follow them, and you'll see results. Remember, this isn't about quick money. It's about rewiring your mindset. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small wins. You deserve a life of abundance. Step 1. Keep an abundance gratitude journal. Every evening, write down 3 things you're financially grateful for, even small ones, like a store discount or a nice dinner. Use a notebook or phone app. Be specific. I'm grateful for having a roof over my head and the ability to work. Do it for 21 days in a row. It will shift your focus from scarcity to sufficiency. Within a week, the world will already start to look richer. Step 2. Turn jealousy into inspiration. When you see someone's success, online or in life, pause and ask, what can I learn from this person? Make a list of 5 successful people you know or follow. Write down 1 to 2 actions they took to reach success. For example, he invested in courses. Then choose one and apply it. Sign up for a free finance webinar. Repeat weekly. Your envy will become fuel. Step 3. Allow yourself smart spending for growth. Allocate 5 to 10% of your income for self-investment. Books, courses, hobbies. Calculate your monthly budget. Use a simple Excel sheet or an app like Mint. Create a growth category and spend consciously. Buy. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, or join a workshop. Track how these investments bring new ideas or income, then adjust after a month. Step 4. Create an action plan instead of waiting. Choose one financial goal, for example, save for a vacation, and break it into steps. Write the goal clearly: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. Save $5,000 in 6 months. Break it down into weekly tasks. Find a 2-hour side job, or cut dining expenses by 20%. Check your progress daily in your notes. It builds control and motivation. Step 5. Upgrade your environment. Find people who inspire growth. Join financial communities or investor clubs. Look for groups on topics like financial freedom or investing for beginners. Join discussions 2 to 3 times a week. Ask questions or share your story. At the same time, limit contact with complainers. Politely shift talks to positive ones. Within a month, your circle will change, and so will your thinking. Step 6. Learn about money as a game. Start with simple sources: podcasts, YouTube channels on finance. Spend 15 minutes a day learning. Start with a video like How to Start Investing from Zero on a channel such as Financial Literacy. Apply instantly. Open a demo account in an investing app and practice virtually. Take notes and discuss what you've learned with a friend. It makes the process fun and motivating. These steps aren't magic. They're your tools for transformation. Start with one, so you don't overload yourself, and watch how the poverty mindset melts away, replaced by confidence and opportunity. Remember, you're not a victim of circumstances. You're the creator of your life. If you ever feel stuck, return to your gratitude journal. It'll remind you how far you've already come. You're capable of so much more, and the world is waiting for your rise. Take action today, and tomorrow you'll thank yourself.